Is your child a fussy eater? If your child is a fussy eater, then the environment around you has to become better. You have to load the environment with healthy food so that the child, as he's growing up, he's seeing healthy food around him, whether it's fruits, vegetables, juices, milk. So I remember when we were growing up, being the youngest in my family with four elder brothers, my father would just keep so many fruits in the house. We had to have fruits, nuts, and both of them, my parents, they didn't have junk food at all. So if your child is a fussy eater, first think what you are doing. Do not say why your child is a fussy eater. Are you eating the right kind of food? If you're eating the right kind of food and if your child is still a fussy eater, then I think you have to realize why the child is a fussy eater. Maybe you have to change the presentation style and the way you're feeding the child. Maybe some misassociation has happened for the child with the food. Maybe if you have a nanny, she has fed the child. So I feel personally when the child is growing up, the first 2 to 3 years in a child's life is very important. We should give personal attention to the child for food rather than asking a nanny to eat. Even if it's an elder in the family, a family member, the family member should get to spend time with the child when the child is eating food. So when you realize slowly that the child is becoming fussy, correct your own lifestyle. The moment you correct your lifestyle, you will see your child adapting to everything. That's what I did, and here's what I can share with my experience. Thank you.